So students, we have discussed till ribosomes. Ribosomes are small spherical structures which helps in the synthesis of proteins. Now the next structure are the vacuoles. In plant cell, large and bigger size vacuoles are there. These are the fluid filled structures present inside the cell. So for example, I want to show you in the book. You can see this is a very large structure. This is called vacuole. It is filled with food fluid. Different type of vacuoles are found in animal cells. The vacuoles are either very smaller or absent. So the vacuoles are generally filled structures, and they may consist of water. They may contain water, they may contain food, they may contain the waste materials. That's why they are called the residual bodies also. The plant cells have larger vacuoles as compared to the animal cell. In animal cell, the vacuoles are either very small or absent. Now the next is the lysosomes. Students, you have to remember that these are also spherical structures present inside the cell, and in these lysosomes, digestive enzymes are present. These digestive enzymes, whenever the cell is having any infection or cell becomes older or cell is having any injury, then in that case the lysosomes get burst itself, and all the digestive enzymes are released in the cell, and these digestive enzymes digest the complete cell or destroys the complete cell. That's why the lysosomes are also called suicidal bags. These are also called the suicidal bags of the cell, because they means digest or destroy the complete cell. Now students, chloroplast. The chloroplast are the structures like this. Okay, they are also having double membrane, and they are having like these stacks are there. Okay. So these are the chloroplasts. The chloroplasts are found only in the plant cell, and inside chloroplast the chlorophyll pigment is there, which is helpful for the photosynthesis purpose, that is for the preparation of food. The chloroplast is also called the kitchen of the cell, because all the food of the plant is made up by the chloroplast. Even the plant cells also have colored chloroplasts, which are called as chromoplast. The colored plastids are also called as chromoplast. Chloroplast provides green color to the plant, whereas chromoplast provides the other color, like leaves are having red color, the fruits are having yellow color. These all colors are provided by chromoplast. Next cell organelle is the centrosome. The centrosome is such type of cell organelle which is helpful in the cell division. It is just like the star के जैसा दिखेगा. So this cell organelle is helpful for the cell division. During whenever the cell divides, then the main role is of centrosome. It initiates the cell division. And one more thing is there, centrosome is present only in animal cells. It is not found in plant cells. So it is found only in animal cells. Now students, we will discuss about the basic difference between the plant cell as well as animal cell. As you have studied that in plant cell the cell wall is present, whereas in animal cell the cell wall is absent. In plant cell the chloroplast is there, because plant cell perform the photosynthesis, but in animal cell the chloroplast is absent. In animal cell centrosome is present, but for cell division, but in plant cell the centrosome is absent. In plant cell large vacuole is there, but in case of animal cell vacuole is either small or absent. Okay, so these are some of the differences between plant as well as animal cells. Now students, the next topic is about the types of cell. Since the type of cell on the basis of number were unicellular and multicellular, there are again the two basic type of cells on the basis of their organization, cellular organization. Number one are prokaryotic cell, and second one is eukaryotic cell. So what are prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? Students, the main thing is that the prokaryotic cell is the cell in which the nucleus is very less developed. Suppose this is cell membrane, this is the cell wall, okay, and inside cell here the cytoplasm is there. This is the nucleus. The nucleus is having no nuclear membrane is there, very means less developed type of nucleus is there, and their less developed type of nucleus is called nucleoid. So such type of cell, it is called the prokaryotic cell. Around the prokaryotic cell, the capsule is also there, which is the structure which protects these prokaryotic cell against the unfavorable condition. This is a capsule, that is a protecting layer. And inside the prokaryotes, the ribosomes are also there. Okay, so the nucleus, the main thing is about the prokaryotic cell is there. These cells do not have well developed nucleus. The nucleus do not have nuclear membrane, and they are having a single part of single chromosome is there inside the cell. Okay, examples of prokaryotes are like bacteria, like blue-green algae. These are the examples of prokaryotes. Okay, like bacteria, blue-green algae, these are prokaryotic cell. Now let's come to the eukaryotic cell. The eukaryotic cell is a cell in which in case of plant cell, well developed cell wall is there, or in case of animal cell, no cell wall is there. They are having a well developed nucleus with many chromosomes. They are having well developed cell organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast. All the cell organelles are well developed. The nucleus is also having a nuclear membrane around it. Okay, and all the functions of the body or cell are performed by the nucleus and the cell organelles. So they are having the cells which are having well defined nucleus, as well as they are having nuclear membrane, as well as double membrane cell organelles, well developed cell organelles are there. All those are the eukaryotic cell. For example, we can means all the plant cell, all the animal cell, amoeba is there, means except bacteria as well as cyanobacteria, that is blue-green algae, all the organisms are eukaryotic. Students, now the next and last topic of the chapter is about the cell division. In cell division, what happened? There is a cell. This is the nucleus of the cell. This is the cytoplasm. So the cell, actually one cell divide into two cells. How it divide? First of all, the nucleus of the cell, it get elongate first of all, and this is the cytoplasm. Afterwards, the nucleus get divided into two parts like this, and both the nucleus get separated, means the nucleus get elongated. Afterwards, it is having some contractions in it. Afterwards, it get divided into the two nuclei. Okay, like this. This will get elongated. It is having some contractions. You can also watch it like this. It is having some constrictions from the middle, and afterwards the nucleus, these constrictions remain continue, and the nucleus get divided into the two nuclei. At the same time, the cell wall, that is cell membrane, it is also having some constrictions inside, due to which these constrictions begins to continue, increase. The nucleus, each nucleus move toward the opposite side, and now the cytoplasm continue the constrictions remains, and ultimately the cell divided into two daughter cell. So this is a type of cell division. This is a method of cell division in which a single cell, that is a single cell, we can consider it as a parent cell, it get divided into two cells, and these two newly formed cells are called daughter cells. So from one parent, two daughter cells are formed. There is a very importance of cell division. Like cell division starts with you see that in cell division, first of all nuclear material divide, and after that cytoplasm divides. Okay, the process of cell division is very controlled as well as well organized in a cell. If it becomes uncontrolled, then it leads to the tumor, it leads to cancer. The process of cell division is very important in body because it helps in the repair and the healing of wounds. So the old cells get replaced by the new ones.